Welcome back, everyone. This is the TI-84 Plus, and when I turned it on today, I got a interesting message. It said, "Your batteries are low. Recommended change of batteries." Oh boy. So let me see. I'm going to go second quit, and everything looks good, but it says it's low in batteries. Let's go second on to turn it off, and let's turn it on again, and it gives you the same message, right? So it's best to change the batteries. One of the things that I like about these older TI-84s that run on batteries, I'm not worried so much about keeping it charged through USB or something. These batteries last for a long time. So on the back of the calculator, there's a cover, and you can open it. And it has a internal battery to save some settings if this whole thing turns off. And you can see these batteries are alkaline batteries, and I have 4 of them. They are AAA batteries. They're much thinner than AA's. Okay, and you can see that these are ready to go. Dispose these batteries appropriately. There's some hardware stores that you can ask them if they can dispose the batteries, or other places. Don't throw them in the trash, though. It's not a good idea. Okay, so I got these batteries. Yes, they're not Duracell or Energizers. They are from HDX. They are alkaline batteries. It says right there, alkaline batteries. They're less expensive. They should have the same type of long-lasting life. Again, these are AAA batteries. Okay, and they're alkaline, which is good. Let me see. Here it says, use new batteries of the same type, 1.5 volts. It's best you have the same new batteries and not batteries that you got from different places like your remote or something. If it's for an emergency, of course. This has the spring right here, and the batteries have two, has a notch on the top and the flat side. So the flat side is negative, and it should also tell you right here on this side, there's a plus for the nib side, where the bump is. So the spring is right here, that's flat, and then you just pop it in. From the spring side, you just pop it in like that. Like that. Same thing over here. This one has a spring. It's the flat side. And so you put it at an angle, you can squeeze it, and then it just pops in. Same thing with this one. You put it on the spring side, you angle it, and you put it down. And this one as well. I didn't explain how to take them out, but basically the spring is over here on this side, right? And to take it out, I just use my nail and then pop them out this way. You can use something else, maybe something that will help you pry this out, but you can usually use your fingers. And then when you have them all in here, make sure everything is placed nice and evenly. All the connections are nice. Then you can put the cover back. This has 2 tabs. Tabs go in here first, and you can snap it. And now when you turn it on, it doesn't give you that message, which is great. And you have all your settings. They should still be correct. That's because that battery that's built in here keeps those settings for you as long as possible. And it's ready to go. Okay. If you feel like you don't want your batteries to run out, you might want to change them every year, every semester, depending on how much you use this. This is not a color screen, so it doesn't drain as much power. You know, you might even have a set of batteries ready in your backpack if you need extra batteries, or maybe your friends need them, you know. But either way, that's how you change the battery on, or batteries on the TI-84 Plus. If this was something interesting for you, please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. Please tell your friends, your teacher. You know, I hope you have a great semester. Thank you very much. And I'll see you later. Have a great semester. Bye-bye.